Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Introducing the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2, a premium, rugged smartwatch built for those who go beyond the everyday. With its titanium design, sharp AMOLED display, advanced health tracking, precise GPS, and long-lasting battery, it's crafted to perform in any environment. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2 and an extra band. Charging cradle, including the charging cable. Quick start guide, safety information, and warranty card. Technical specifications. Introducing the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2, built for performance, adventure, and everyday life. It features a liquid metal zirconium alloy case, a ceramic back, and a sapphire glass screen for premium durability. The 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display offers 466 by 466 resolution, with up to 3,500 nits of peak brightness. The watch comes in a 47 to 48.5 millimeter case, weighing around 80 grams, and runs on Harmony OS 5.1 with 4 gigabytes of internal storage. It's loaded with sensors: heart rate, ECG, SpO2, temperature barometer, compass, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light, and a depth sensor, tracking your health, sleep, stress, and fitness in detail. Durability is top-notch with 20 ATM water resistance, IP68 and IP69 ratings. The 867 mAh battery lasts about 4.5 days in normal use, 3 to 3.5 days with always-on display, and up to 11 days in light use mode. Connectivity includes eSIM, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and multiband GNS. Plus, it has a built-in speaker and microphone for calls. Available in black and blue, it keeps you connected, informed, and ready for anything. Product features. The Huawei Watch Ultimate 2 combines a liquid metal zirconium alloy case, ceramic back, and sapphire glass screen. This makes it strong enough to handle daily wear, yet stylish and lightweight for all-day comfort. It's built to look and feel premium while standing up to tough conditions. Packed with sensors for heart rate, ECG, SpO2, sleep, stress, and temperature, it gives detailed health insights. From workouts to recovery, it tracks your body's performance and well-being around the clock. You can monitor your health effortlessly without needing additional devices. With 20 ATM water resistance and IP68 or IP69 ratings, this watch is ready for deep dives and rugged environments. Whether swimming, hiking, or extreme outdoor adventures, it can handle it all. It's a smartwatch designed to survive where others can't. It supports eSIM, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and multiband GNSS for reliable connectivity anywhere. A built-in speaker and microphone allow you to make calls directly from your watch. This makes it a fully capable companion for both fitness and everyday communication. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. Here's a quick look at the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2's layout. On the side, you get the assist button for quick actions, the rotating crown for navigation, and the down button for shortcuts. Between them is the X-Tap sensor, which supports ECG, fingertip SpO2, and intuitive touch controls. On the back, you'll find the depth sensor for underwater pressure tracking, along with the speaker and microphone for clear calls and prompts. At the center is the advanced heart rate sensor, and below it, the magnetic charging area. Overall, the layout combines premium hardware with smart, adventure-ready functionality. How to pair. Power on your Huawei Watch Ultimate 2, select your language and keep it close to your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then install and open the HUAWEI Health app so your phone is ready to search for the watch. In the HUAWEI Health app, Go to Devices and tap Add, then Smartwatch, and choose Watch Ultimate 2 from the list. When the watch appears, tap to connect and confirm the Bluetooth pairing on both devices. This completes the setup and starts syncing your data. How to charge? Place the Huawei Watch Ultimate 2 on its wireless charging dock, ensuring the back of the watch aligns correctly with the charger. Connect the dock to a power adapter, and the watch will automatically begin charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to reset your watch. Resetting the watch using the On-Device Settings menu. Open Settings on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Reset. Confirm by tapping Reset again. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Reset using hardware buttons. Make sure the watch is powered off. Press and hold the power or home button until the Huawei logo appears. Release the button briefly, then press and hold again to enter recovery mode. Use the touch screen or side buttons to navigate to wipe data or factory reset. Confirm your choice. The watch will reset and reboot to factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the HUAWEI Health app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Starting with materials and build, the Ultimate 2 features a zirconium-based liquid metal alloy case, ceramic back, and sapphire glass, making it rugged and dive-ready. The GT6 Pro also has a titanium alloy case, ceramic back, and sapphire glass, but it's lighter and designed for everyday wear. For display and sizes, the Ultimate 2 has a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution and peak brightness up to 3,500 nits. The GT6 Pro comes with a slightly smaller 1.47-inch AMOLED display at the same resolution and up to 3,000 nits, offering excellent clarity in a more compact design. Looking at battery and storage, the Ultimate 2 packs an 867 mAh battery, great for heavy-duty tasks like GPS and sensor tracking. The GT6 Pro shines with long battery life, up to 21 days on light use and about 12 days with typical daily use. Storage on the Ultimate 2 supports apps and offline data, while the GT6 Pro focuses on efficiency rather than heavy storage. Pros and cons. The Huawei Watch Ultimate 2 stands out with a rugged premium build, zirconium alloy case, ceramic back, and sapphire glass, plus a bright 1.5-inch AMOLED display. It packs top-tier sensors for heart rate, ECG, SpO2, sleep stress, and even dive-ready tracking with GPS and sonar communication. On the downside, it's bulky at around 80 grams, battery life drops with heavy use, and the Harmony OS app ecosystem is limited. Some features may be overkill for casual users, and the price is high. Overall, it's perfect for adventurers and serious health tracking, but less ideal for everyday simplicity. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.